What's up, family? It's your boy Phoenix checking in. Up this morning, about to wash some dishes and get some things knocked out, so that way baby ain't got to do them. But check this out. I was just thinking about something. Most people you will come to with an opportunity, like a life-changing opportunity, and they might not have nothing going on, or might not have nothing going on that can get them where you actually can get them. Why would they consider that you're trying to beat them? What do you have that I can actually blow up on? Nothing. I'm giving you an opportunity to blow. So if I come to you with something, I respect you, and I know that two minds are better than one, and we can get further together. But I'm not coming to you because I need you, because I want to leech on you, because I want to take advantage of you. No, I'm coming to you so we can blow together, so that way we can get further to our goal, being one instead of two.